Understanding moving experience in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, moving experience. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you describe your emotions and experiences more vividly in English. So, let's get started and find out what makes an experience moving. A moving experience refers to any event or situation that deeply affects someone, often evoking strong emotions such as joy, sadness, inspiration, or sympathy. It's the kind of experience that touches your heart and leaves a lasting impression, sometimes even changing your perspective or the way you think about life. The word moving in this context has nothing to do with physical movement. Instead, it's all about being emotionally moved or stirred. When someone says they had a moving experience, they're telling you that something happened that deeply resonated with them on an emotional level. Moving experiences can vary widely from person to person, as everyone reacts differently to situations. Here are a few examples to help you understand the range of events that can be considered moving. Listening to a powerful piece of music that evokes memories or feelings. Witnessing an act of kindness between strangers in public. Experiencing the beauty of nature, like watching a sunset or seeing a breathtaking landscape for the first time. Overcoming a personal challenge or achieving a long-sought goal. Attending a significant event, such as a wedding, graduation, or memorial service. These examples show that moving experiences can be joyful, sad, inspiring, or any combination of complex emotions. The key is the deep emotional impact they have on an individual. Now that you know what a moving experience is, let's look at how to incorporate this phrase into your conversations or writing. Here are some sentences to get you started. Visiting the memorial was a moving experience. I felt a profound sense of history and emotion. Hearing her comeback story was truly a moving experience. It inspired me to face my own challenges. The documentary provided a moving experience, opening my eyes to the struggles of others. Using moving experience in your sentences helps convey the emotional depth of an event, making your communication richer and more expressive. We hope this video has helped you understand what moving experience means and how you can use it to describe events that deeply touch your heart. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to convey our deepest emotions and experiences. So, don't shy away from sharing your moving experiences with others, using this beautiful phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.